These are the undershelf lights that I picked up from the Amazon team. I'm going to show you what they look like, talk about the build quality, how to charge them, and tell you how to install them as well. I've got quite a lot of these in my house and I really, really love them, so I bought some more. In there, you're going to get your instruction manual on how to fit it all, and you're also going to get a triple charger. You get your 5 different lights, and I really like the sides of these. These ones are going to go into some really great cupboards. And you also get your pack of adhesive magnets. The fact that they're adhesive is really important. So looking at the units here, you've got your 2 ends. You've got your on, off, on auto. I'm going to have it on auto. I think you've also got your mode there as well, depending on what type of light you want. And that is your sensor. And on the other end is where you would charge it. And that button there is for the level of brightness. Now, my top tip for fitting these is, I haven't installed quite a lot of them, is you've got an adhesive magnet here. One of the magnets will be stuck to the cupboard. So let's say we're doing a cupboard like this and you want to stick your light underneath. The sticky would go on the underside of the cabinet with a magnet going on the back of here. Now, first time I did this, I got the tape measure out and all those things, and I realised afterwards I didn't need to. So you've got your 2 parts for the unit. You've got your adhesive metal plate and then you've got your adhesive magnet. So obviously they would go together like this, and then when you stick it to the cabinet, that's how they would adhere. So my top tip is put them together like that, peel your stickies off both sides, apply it to the unit like that, and then when you're ready to place it, just go plonk, rather than worrying about measuring it out. And to me, that's been the most efficient way to do it, rather than worrying about measuring and making sure they match. I'm actually putting these ones inside my food cabinet because I can't see at the back of it. So they're really useful, but you can put these on anywhere. You can put them on in your bathroom, maybe as a nightlight, hallways, cupboards you don't use great deal, even sheds and garages as well. And this is the brightness level. I've not charged them up yet. If you've got it on auto, it'll come on as you come into the room. Let's change the brightness. Yeah, definitely is a difference there. I'll probably keep it on low because this is going to be in a small cupboard. Yeah, I hope that's been helpful.